2 installation of a Challenger front speakers and rear deck right there. So we can go ahead and tackle this rear deck, man. Show y'all how to take it apart and put it together. Everything like that. I never did it before, so it's my first time doing it. It's his first time doing it, but it's a learning experience, man. So we gonna tackle this together, man. Get this done, get the job done. So my man's could be bumping, man. See what he putting in there. Back in the back, he putting the kickers. You see it. Kicker 6 3/4 back there. So yeah, we gonna have them at least sounding good on the inside. We'll take care of it. Get it going. See, that's what happened when you wear all black. Yeah, in this Memphis heat, it don't let up. It's only gonna get worse. We still early into the middle of the summer. How many you got? One more left? I'm gonna go put the last screw in for him because I don't feel like running up there to the fire station, so we're gonna go and get this taken care of.
Bro, check. What's that, back to him?
What?
I know what you're doing.
Damn. See?
Yep. Bigger when you see.
See it? You said no?
I feel it.
Okay.
I feel it. I got you.
Okay, you got it.
It feels good. And then these two.
Try to grab it as it comes out.
That's all.
Do this one. And go get it done.
Pops out.
Huh?
Oh, shit. This pops out.
You gonna see this one right here. You pop out from the top. Oh, you about the side panel.
Keep it on there pretty much. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to unplug shit right here. That's the airbag and shit. And that's it. No, you ain't got to do nothing. Don't touch that.
No, touch it?
Nope.
Oh, okay.
You know why?
What?
Because this one going to be loose enough to just slide that one back in.
You sure it's not gonna be holding? I can pop it back in.
As long as we get this side out. So you got to play with it.
They did pop one side?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Might need to pop that panel right there, though. The side panel, do you need to loosen this up?
That's it now. Oh, no. It's just a simple. Yeah. There we go. Let's just take a little. There we go. So that one just slides on there.
Okay.
Now it might not be as
Easy to put
it back in. But
oh, yeah.
I've been watching enough videos.
Okay, now
We don't need the bolts on there.
All right, what side?
That's the socket wrenches.
He is an 8 or it look like an 8.
Let me see if it's same thing.
I think it's like an 8.
It might be.
It look like an 8 millimeter.
It might be.
You know your boys got that in the car, so stay tuned. So as you see, we got one on them out. Mine's are pretty easy. Yeah, it's coming though. As you can see, you also can put a sub back here. See that?
Yep. You still got space for a sub.
Yeah, you still can put like an 8-inch sub back in your Challenger. You still can put a sub in it if you want to go that route. But we pretty much done now. Pretty much done now. You got one more? You got one more? All right, so we got one more left. Everything. We're gonna figure it out. Let me see, can I get over there and get it a little bit? Give me just a minute. So this
I
nigga
said
here.
not YouTube,
It's too
man.
late. This nigga here.
You shit, man. You can tell our people, man, not YouTube, man.
He was struggling with a screw that was already loose. Dude,
Find the motherfucker.
dude. And none of them were tight. Cause they out these speakers, and then they weren't that tight. They don't mess with them. They loosen them up. But we got it done though.
All right, let's talk about the situation.
So, as you can see, it's out. Well, we got to pull the other speaker completely out. There go the
These
speaker.
ugly motherfuckers.
So,
Coming in China.
well, you got to think about a factory. So,
Even the factory.
On it.
You go pull out that smoke, say,
probably, I'm going to put like this right here. Probably the only speaker they put in, you got to have like Alpine. You got to have like a top of the line speaker system in there. But you know, they do Alpine, they do Beats. They put beats in and hum it, you know. So, yeah. But your channels a little older, so they when they probably upgraded the speaker systems. You know. So you got these in, these some bad boys. They look nice. They look real nice.
Coaxial. Everything we putting in here is coaxial. We ain't just putting nothing just for highs, nothing just for mids. Everything is coaxial.
You ain't gonna need that though.
I'm gonna have it. Yeah.
Cause you know your dick gonna go over the top of it, so you ain't gonna be able to see it anyway.
I'm gonna cut my dick out.
Well, cut your dick out there. That's it. Now you on your own there, cause I don't have no saw cut dicks now, so. Nah, I ain't got that. I ain't got no power saw, I ain't got no saw. I need some though. So I sure be ready to saw some shit and cut some shit, cut wood and dude.
Oh, look at
I need to figure some shit out.
At least kick his hat over his. Oh, look at Kip.
Oh, he got-
At least they thought about you.
He got a little hard
So
work.
yeah, no,
But when you use these right here, I don't know if it's well. When you use the easy connectors, things like this, it make it way easier. It's pretty much dummy proof, so you don't have to worry about crossing no wire, dotting no T's and all this. So it's pretty much dummy proof, so it's easy. That's why I say it's so easy. You can do this stuff yourself. So as long as you got a few tools that you need, or the right tools, it make everything easy. So we're gonna pop snatch the other speaker out where he getting everything together. So once we get all of it in, if we get both of them set in, then I'm gonna show you how they look with both of them set in. We're gonna be right back with you. We had technical difficulties, y'all. They sent a defective product. As you can see, it's bent in. So yeah, we got to ship it back, and they got to ship them some new ones. So the back deck. So you pretty much see how I do it. We just on hold right now.
we can put that one in though.
Which one?
We can put the good one in.
I mean, I'm pretty sure they're gonna want both of them back, probably.
That kid, man.
I doubt they just gonna ship one. They probably ship you a whole new pack. I would for them ship me a whole new pack just to be safe. 'Cause you never know. Like I said, the box that's damaged. There might be some hidden damage on the other one. You probably can't see or won't know till later on. How long did you take to get them? You never did you ever? You never pull them out the package and look at them, did you?
I did, but I didn't look at both of them. That's the one I didn't look at. You just pull one out.
Yeah, I know. So yeah, we got to ship that one back. You know, you go call Amazon and they'll come talk to you about it and all that stuff. They might refund your money and ship you a new one for free. You know, they might pay for it. Yeah, because we don't know when it was damaged. They could have damaged it. They could have damaged it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. All right, so we're gonna have a hard at this one, but I'm still gonna upload the video. But you see how it's still how to unhook everything, things like this. So with that being said, man, y'all like, comment, subscribe, share to the video, man. I appreciate y'all hanging with me, man, today, man. So we gonna figure this out, work everything out, and we'll be back with you, man. I'll holler at y'all later. So what's up? I'm back. So what we end up doing? He ended up going buy some new ones. I got it. He ended up buying some new ones, so
Fuck these motherfuckers.
you still shipping them back?
Hell yeah.
Okay.
My damn money back.
So we ended up going still a kicker. But we
I
went
couldn't just go down
a
there.
different one. So he didn't wanna wait. I don't blame him, cause shit, you know how our bass heads are, speaker heads are and shit. We want our shit now, we ready to roll with it.
Yeah.
We wanna hear our shit.
Not only that, but them with D series, these K series, these better.
But it's an upgrade. So he upgraded. So I'm pretty sure, but I'm gonna tell you this right here. I finna hit you with some things you probably ain't thought about it. You know probably why they were their price?
Who?
You know why they probably their price?
What?
Cause they probably the last one they had. You know, normally you get down to the last set.
Yeah, that shit
And you
be
be-
about $20, $30 more.
Now it's about this right here. Probably the last set they had,
Oh
and they were trying to just get rid of.
bullshit.
I bet you they would. You know how they go. You know how they go. Anything
It
that
wasn't much, but it was my money.
if they were their last sale, last couple of sets, they just try to get rid of them. They gonna drop the price down.
What you said?
Cause you know you could have did. Could have see how much these right here was they had in the store. How much they actually run for.
I don't know, but I know the cheaper one, were the one that was an upgrade to even them.
Yeah,
The yellow box, they was
150.
about one something.
Yeah.
About 130.
That's what I'm saying. So they probably like the last ones they had. I'm pretty sure they probably what it was though. That's all they had left. So yeah, so we finna upgrade these right fast. Gonna throw these in right fast. Then we finish this video up. And just give me a minute. So as you see, we got them in there. We are done. We just putting everything back up. We had to do a little razzle dazzle, but we made it happen though. We definitely made it happen. Ran to, like I said, when doing installation, you always gotta be prepared for something to go wrong. Cause always a chance something could go wrong. So always be aware of that something could go wrong. Things might not go back the way they came out, even though it was easy for them to come out. There'll be an a-hole trying to go back together. But we got it done. Bought new speakers. Had to fit the brackets. The new brackets that came with it, got that taken care of. Everything in there. We buttoned up, we done. And we got it done, man. We got it done. So I'm sorry I didn't show you why they was in the back deck, but man, I'm tired. He tired. We just trying to go and get everything buttoned up. But believe it or not, it's in there. We got it done and taken care of. So sometimes, you know, you gotta do a little razzle dazzle, get things to fit, get things to go where they need to go, that they might not want to go. But we got it done. So with that being said, man, I appreciate y'all hanging out with us today, doing the front door panels of a Challenger and the back deck of a Challenger, which it wasn't really hard to disconnect. It really wasn't. It wasn't hard at all. It's just we ran into about two problems. I'm gonna say two problems. Two problems. One of them, I ain't gonna say it's a problem. It's a amount of, we just had to, you know, go a little left to get back straight. You know, with that being said, that's it. But it wasn't there too major we couldn't get fixed or couldn't take care of. So, but we got it done though, man. Well, as that being said, man, I appreciate y'all hanging out with me, man. Yes. Like I said, I could do a lot of this stuff, but that's the reason why I don't do a lot of this stuff. It can become a headache just because things just don't want to go right. But yeah, with that being said, man, don't be discouraged from doing it, man. You know, everything is a lesson, man. You know, you never know how to do something until you actually do it. So it really wasn't that hard. Then if you got two people come working or whatever, helping or whatever, it can make it a little easier. So with that being said, man, I'm gone. Y'all have a blessed day.